Subscribe the channel and press bell icon to get upcoming videos. Like and share our videos. Welcome friends in hydroponic farming training session, lecture 5. Today we will discuss about hydroponic production system. System is classified as substrate and water culture. Today we will discuss all about substrate culture system. Plants are grown in growing bags, containers, pots, which are filled with all these growing media are substrates. Substrate system offers appropriable level of technology for small hydroponic producers. Substrate or growing media can either be divided into two types. It may be organic or inorganic. In organic media, coconut coir, peat moss and sawdust. Mainly these are media which are obtained from plant materials and classified in organic form. Inorganic forms are perlite, leca, rock wool, sand and gravels. Let's discuss one by one the properties of these substrate or growing medias. First, coconut coir is have also other trade name in market: Ultra peat, Coco peat, Cocotec, which is obtained from coconut husk. It has high water holding capacity and good aeration. It's totally organic growing media. Before using in our hydroponic system, the cocoa coir should be soaked in water. At soaking, it has a property to expand up to 6 times of its original shape. Mostly cocoa coir has pH 5.7 to 6.5, having low cation exchange capacity. We will discuss about cation exchange capacity and pH in the lecture regarding the nutrient solution or hydroponic nutrients. Then peat moss. Peat moss is also organic substrate or growing media which is obtained from plant materials, but it should be completely composted, not a partially composted, but different qualities of peat moss are available in market with its decomposition properties. Like peat moss, sawdust is also obtained from plants, and it should also be fully decomposed to use in hydroponic system. But sawdust has many phytotoxins in it, and sawdust has high carbon nitrogen ratio and can create the problem of nitrogen immobilizations That's why it's not normally used in a hydroponic system. Then the inorganic substrate or hydroponic growing media are perlite. Perlite is made from air puffed glass pellets. Perlite is very light in weight, like air, but has good aeration quality, good drainage property. We can use perlite in soils where the problem of aeration and the soils where the problems of drainage, we can add perlite as a amendment material to solve the drainage and aeration problem in the soil. But perlite has a drawback. It's easily washed away because it's in a light way, and sometimes it's not suitable in outgoing environment. Then LECA, light expandable clay aggregates. These aggregates have high porosity, high surface area, good water holding capacity, good aeration and good drainage, and pH neutral, not compete with nutrient solutions, but before using expandable clay pellets in your hydroponic system, wash thoroughly because it contains dust particles which can clog or block your irrigation system. Then the rock wool. Rock wool is mostly used in hydroponic system in the world. In large hydroponic producer prefers to grow plants on rook wall. Even the complete life cycle of a plant depends on this system. Rock wool is obtained from molten rocks, basalt, limestone, cork, which is spun in long glass-like fiber, then add some additives, then pressing in cubes and in slabs. Rock wool has a property to get water on immediately basis, good aeration and decent in drainage properties. But one thing about rock wool, before using, sterilization is must to eliminate microorganisms or other contaminations. The last is sand and gravels are also used in the hydroponic farming system. Other than these substrate are growing medias, a variety of brands and variety of growing medias are available in market for your system. These substrate provides the root zone environment to the plant to feed the plant in shape of nutrients, to provide the water and also provide physical support. But these growing media has good advantages over soil like low soluble salts in those growing media, pH specific, mostly range from 5.5 to 6.5, which are desirable in most of plants growing, and also sterilized media, free of organisms, free of contaminations and other pollution agents, and resistant to chemicals and heat treatment. These media are easily available in markets, and we can work with them in easiest way. It's all about hydroponic production system based on substrate. If you have any question, comments in comments box, like and share videos, subscribe the channel for receiving upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. Pakistan Zindabad.